Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to view Fundrise Investment Reports. Here's a detailed guide on how to view your Fundrise Investment Reports. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.fundrise.com. And if prompted, click Login at the top right corner to log into your account using your account's credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Fundrise dashboard, which we have in here. This is the main hub where you can see an overview of your investment and account information. So, look for the tab labeled Real Estate in the main navigation menu, which is at the top of the screen. Select Real Estate. So click on this tab to access details about your real estate investments. In the real estate section, let's say you have an investment here already. All right, I do not have an investment, so that's totally, we're not currently seeing anything here because I do not have an investment. So let's say you have already invested. On this page, you can find something interesting. So you're going to see an option for investment report right next to your investment plan, or something similar, which may also be labeled as performance or portfolio. So click on investment reports to access detailed reports about your investments, including performance metrics, returns, and updates on each property or investment fund you are involved with. Within the investment report section, you may have options to view different types of reports, such as quarterly, performance reports, annual summaries, or specific property updates. Now choose the report you wish to view by clicking on it. This will open the report usually in a downloadable format like PDF or directly displayed on the screen. Now, if you wish to keep a copy of the report, look for a download option, often represented by a download icon or a link that says download or save. Now click this option to download the report to your device for your records. Take time to review the information in the investment report, including key performance indicators, market analysis, and any notes from Fundrise about the future of your investments. Following these steps will allow you to view and analyze your Fundrise investment report. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.